Hi viewers, hello my dear children, welcome to our free educational channel. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe it now and click on the bell icon to get more updates of our videos. Hi my dear child.
Hello.
Have you watched my last video on computer basics?
Yes, nice video.
What did you learn from that?
Computer definition, computer basic functionalities, classification of computer hardware.
Oh, good. If you haven't watched that video, I am giving you the link in the description. Please watch that video before watching this. Okay, do you know what you are going to learn in this video?
Don't know.
Okay. There is a need of learning computer basic skills because computer has become an essential part of our life. You know, we have started a course to teach you the computer basic skills. As part of that course, I am here to present you the second lesson, computer hardware. Shall we start? We know the computer hardware is classified into three parts. Number 1, input devices. Number 2, output devices. Number 3, central processing unit, CPU. Again, this CPU is classified into three parts. What are they? Memory unit, control unit and arithmetic and logical unit. Again, this memory unit is classified into two parts. What are they? Temporary storage devices and permanent storage devices. Now in this class, we are going to see what are the devices fall under each category. Shall we? Yes. First thing, we need to learn the definition of computer hardware. Yes, the physical parts or components of a computer is called as computer hardware. We have seen the classification of computer hardware, right? The computer hardware is divided into three types: input devices, output devices and central processing unit. Coming to the first category, input devices. Yes, what is the definition of an input device? The devices which are used to enter data into a computer are called as input devices, or the devices which are used by computer to get the data are called as input devices. Examples: keyboard, mouse and etc. Now you are going to see many input devices and their images. Mouse. This is the most commonly used input device to give instruction to the computer. Yes, we have seen the mouse many times, right? It has two buttons. One is left click. This is used to select something from the list or from the screen. The second one, right click. This is used to get options on the screen. Yes, along with these two buttons, mouse has a ball on its surface to scroll the screen up and down. One more example, the famous input device, that is keyboard. It has many types of keys to enter different types of letters into the computer. For example, it has all the alphabets to enter the text, and it has numerical keys, nothing but the numbers from 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. And along with this, we have these buttons F1, F2, F3 up to F12. These buttons are called as functional keys. And here we have numerical keys 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9. We can use these keys or these keys to enter the numbers, and you can see the up, down, left, right arrow keys here, right? These buttons are called as navigation keys. And we have many other buttons like enter, shift, alt, control, windows and tab and caps lock and escape, like this. And one more example for input devices is scanner. This is used to scan the documents or images which are on a paper. For example, we have something on a paper. For example, it's a text. Now we need to enter that text which is on a paper into our computer. How can we do that? Yes, by using a scanner. We need to scan it first. After scanning, the scanner sends the scanned input data into the computer. Generally, the scanned input data is in the form of images. Yes. One more example for input device is joystick. Where do we use these joysticks? In gaming. Yes, mostly we use these joysticks when we are playing games. One more example for input device is barcode reader. Yes, we have seen this many times, but we may not know that's an input device. This device is used to scan the barcode given on the items. Generally, we can see this device in shopping malls, general stores and supermarkets and in many places where we buy goods or something else. You see this is called as barcode, the thin and thick lines. Okay, combination of thin and thick lines is called as barcode. When this barcode reader reads this barcode, the computer receives the entire information related to that item into its memory. Yes, another example for input device is microphone. This microphone receives the input in the form of voice and it sends that input to the computer. Now coming to the second category, output devices. Just see the definition. The devices used to get data from a computer are called as output devices. Okay, the computer uses these devices to give the data. Example, monitor, printer and many. Now we are going to see the output devices and their importance. The first and foremost example for output device is a monitor. Yes, this device is used to get visual output from a computer. There are three types of monitors available in the market. Yes, we have seen all these types of devices. Yes, the first one is CRT. Okay. CRT in the sense cathode ray tube. This is the oldest oldest type of monitor we have used for our computer. And the second one is LCD. The next generation of computer is LCD, liquid crystal display. And nowadays we all are using the monitors of type LED, light emitting diodes. The next example for output device is printer. Yes, we all know the printer is used to print the documents. For example, we have data in our computer. We need to print the data on a paper. How do we do that? Yes, by using the printer. The next output device is projector. This device can project visual data from a computer onto a wall or a screen. For example, we want to see a movie on the wall. How can we see that? Yes, by using a projector. If we connect your projector, then the data in your or the movie in your computer will be shown on your wall. Yes. Generally, we can see this device in schools or colleges who teach the digital classes. Yeah, we have many other output devices like headphones and speakers. Yes, we can see the different combination of input and output devices. Nothing but one device can act as both input and output device. The best example for that type of device is our headset. See this headset. It has both the microphone and the speakers. So it can receive the data through microphone and it can give the output through the speakers. The third category, very important one, the central processing unit, CPU. Yes, the CPU is known as heart of a computer. All the external peripherals in the sense the components, all the external in the sense the components which are connected from outside. Okay, all the external peripherals have to be connected to the CPU only. Yes, just see this image, you can understand all the devices are connected to only the CPU. Yes, all the core components are kept in the CPU. What do you mean by core? Yes, the internal components are also kept in the CPU. The devices or the internal components kept in the CPU are classified into three types: arithmetic and logical unit, number 2 control unit, and the next one is memory unit. This is our today's class. We have covered all the input devices and all the output devices and introduction to the central processing unit. My dear viewers, I don't want to fill your mind with more things at a time. If I do that, that means fill out. So I will continue this topic in the next video. I hope you understood this class. If you like it, share with your friends. We will meet in the next class soon. Until then, bye.